and after that, pakisend sa akin for your attendance.
Okay
Is
po.
that clear, Karil?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thank you, Karil. So, how was your day, class? Mainit din ba dyan sa inyo?
Ayos lang po, sir. Mainit din po
O,
talaga.
o lagi kayong nasa labas, pagala-gala? Kailangan uminom kayo lagi ng tubig. So, before we proceed to our new discussions, let's have a short recap. What is our topic last meeting? It is all about what? Kung
Nutritions po.
naalala nyo pa siya.
Nutrition?
It's about nutrition. Yes, thank you. Medyo malapit na din anak. How about the other?
Sir, health po.
Health, very good. So our topic last meeting is all about healthy habit. So what is healthy habit? Healthy habit is something you do that may significantly improve an aspect of your life, like eating healthy foods and doing regular exercise. So now I have with you here. This is all about our new topic for today. So, panoorin nyo mabuti and after this, meron akong mga katanungan. So, I think that's enough. Based from this video, now do you have an idea what will be our topic for today? Anyone from the class? Pwede nyo gamitin yung chat box, mga anak. Kung nahihiya kayong magsagot. Angeline?
Children's health po.
Children's health. Thank you, Angeline. How about the others?
Sir, ano po? Children's rights.
Children's rights. Very good. So our topic for today, it's all about
Papasend ko na lang sa akin kung saan ako na mag-upload.
it's about child basic health rights, healthcare needs and rights for active living.
Dante lang dapat eh.
So what comes into your mind when you hear the word health? Anyone from the class? Dirk?
Sir, ano po ulit?
What comes into your mind when you hear the word health?
Sir, kalusugan po ng tao.
Kalusugan ng tao. Very good, anak. So, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. The enjoyment of the highest attainable standard of health is one of the fundamental rights of every human being without distinction of race, religion, political belief, economic or social condition. How about rights, Angeline?
Sir, freedom po.
Freedom.
Okay na, understand.
Right answer. So, rights are the freedoms and entitlements that every individual has, allowing them to live with dignity, respect, and fairness. These rights protect people from harm, ensure equal opportunities, and guarantee basic needs like education, healthcare, and freedom of expressions. And right also is something that every person or child should have. So, what is Presidential Decree number 603 or the Child and Youth Welfare Code? Please read, Karil.
Okay, all children shall be entitled to the rights herein set forth without distinction as to legitimacy, sex, social status, religion, political antecedents, and other factors.
Thank you, Karil. So, according to Presidential Decree number 603, there are 12 basic rights of Filipino children. So, number one, please read, Monica. Monica? Mukhang wala na si Monica. Anyone from the class? Dirk?
Every child is valuable from conception and has the right to be born healthy.
Thank you, Dirk. So, every child is a precious gift. Do you believe that, Dirk? That every child is a precious gift from God?
Yes po.
Yes, everyone is a precious gift. So, number two, please read, Angeline.
Every child has the right to a wholesome family life that will provide him with love, care, and understanding, guidance and counseling, and moral and material security. The dependent or abandoned child shall be provided with the nearest substitute for a home.
Thank you, Angeline. So, every child deserves to grow up in a loving and supportive family environment where they feel safe, valued, and guided. How about the dependent or abandoned child? Ito yung mga nakikita natin sa lansangan. Ito yung mga wala ng mga magulang, na kung saan meron tayong tinatawag na DSWD or yung Department of Social Welfare Development na kung saan sila yung mga nag-aalaga sa mga batang nasa lansangan. Kaya kahit papaano wala silang magulang ay mafe-feel pa rin nila na love sila at naalagaan sila. So number three, please read, Karil.
The right to a well-rounded development. So every child has the right to a well-rounded development of his or her personality to the end that he may become a happy, useful, and active member of society. The gifted child shall be encouraged to develop his special talent.
So thank you, Karil. So every child should grow up in a way that help them learn, be happy, and become a good person who can help others in the community. So number four, the right to eat healthy foods. Every child has the right to a balanced diet, adequate clothing, sufficient shelter, proper medical attention, and all the basic physical requirements of a healthy, vigorous life. So can you give example of um healthy food that you eat, Dirk? To stay
Serve vegetable po.
yes, vegetable and also fruits. And kapag sinamahan pa natin siya ng regular exercise is mapapanatili natin ang kalusugan. So number five, the right to grow up in a moral development. Every child has the right to grow up in a moral environment that builds their character. Meaning to say, in a environments help you learn what is right from wrong. Number six, the right to education. Please read, Angeline.
Every child has the right to an education commensurate with his abilities and to the development of his skills for the improvement of his capacity for service to himself and to his fellow.
Yes, sa madaling salita ay karapatan sa edukasyon dahil sabi nga ni Rizal, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Kaya napakahalaga para sa ating mga bata or sa inyong mga bata na magkaroon ng edukasyon para din magkaroon kayo ng magandang buhay. So number 7, the right to play. Every child has the right to safe and healthy recreational activities, both alone and with others, to enjoy their free time. So recreational activities are activities people do for enjoyment, relaxation, or exercise during their free time. They can be done indoors or outdoors alone or with others. Maaari ka bang magbigay ng ginagawa mong activities, Dirk?
Sir, naglalaro po ako ng volleyball po.
Naglalaro ng volleyball, volleyball, sorry, ng volleyball. Yes, that's a good idea or magandang ginagawa ang paglalaro ng volleyball. So, every child has the right to a safe and healthy recreational activities with good environment. Kasi, di ba, hindi ka na makakapaglaro kapag pangit yung nasa environment mo or toxic. So,
Yes
number
po.
8, the right to protection. Please read, Karil.
The right to protection. Every child has the right to protection from harmful influences, dangers, and anything that could harm their physical, mental, emotional, social, and moral development.
Okay, thank you, Karil. So, always remember that every child deserves to be safe and protected from anything that could harm their growth, ensuring they develop into health and happy individuals. Mahalaga ang proteksyon natin. Kailangan hindi tayo nagpapaapi. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi tayo dapat nagpapaiid, dapat lumaban na tayo. Ha? Okay, class? Hindi pag sinabing um, pangit tayo or anything na masakit na salita, dapat patulan natin. Lalo na kung alam natin hindi tama. So number 9, the right to live in a safe environment. Every child has the right to live in a community and society that can offer him an environment free from harmful influences and helpful to the promotion of his health and the improvement of his desirable traits and attributes. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ni Derek kanina na naglalaro siya ng volleyball. So kailangan para makapag-focus siya is nasa good environment siya kasi kapag toxic yung nasa paligid mo is hindi ka makakapag-focus. So number 10, please read, Dirk.
The right to access care from the government. Every, wait lang po, sir.
Sige, Dirk.
Every child has the right to the care assistance and protection of the country, particularly when his parents or guardians fail or unable to provide him with his basic needs for growth, development, and improvement.
Thank you, Dirk. So, it is important for a country to help those children because they deserve care, support, and opportunities to grow. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung mga batang nasa lansangan. Karapatan nilang makapag-aral, makakain, at magkaroon ng pamilya. Um, Alam ko sa inyo, may mga katanungan kayo na paano po yung mga iba nung walang pamilya. Kaya nga sabi ko, meron tayong DSWD na handang tumulong para sa mga batang nasa lansangan o mga maagang naulila. Number 11, the right to be a fair government that builds trust. Every child has the right to a fair government that builds their trust in democracy and shows moral leadership in all aspects of life. And last is the right to grow up as a free individual. Every child has the right to grow up as a free individual in an atmosphere of peace, understanding, tolerance, and universal brotherhood, and with that determination to contribute to share in the building of a better world. So let's recap what you've learned. So how many rights do we have based from Presidential Decree number 603 or the Child, Youth and Health Development? Anyone from the class? How many rights do we have?
Sir, 12
12,
po.
sir.
12. Very good. What are these? Can you give at least two or three? Dirk,
Sir, ano po? Ala, sir, nakalimutan ko po.
nakalimutan. Pwede mo bang tulungan, Angeline?
Right to education, sir. Saan to?
Yes, very good. What else?
Ah, to yung healthy food. Meron ba yun?
Yes, right to access healthy food.
Sir, ano po? Um, to be born
Yes, Dirk.
healthy.
Yes, to be born healthy. Lahat ng sinabi nyo ay tama. Now, let's do have some activity. So, this activity is called My Health Right. Tama ba? Yes, my basic health right. So, I have 10 questions here. And once I call your name, all you have to do is to pick. Mamimili lang kayo dito sa 10 question ito and i-identify nyo what right is this based from Child Basic Health Rights for Active Lifestyle. So Dirk, ikaw ang last na sumagot. Ikaw naman ngayon ang mauuna. Choose one number, Dirk.
Sir, number 1 po.
Number 1. So, please read and answer.
Children
Nag-left si
have the
Dirk.
right to
Oh.
May
access
sagot na
quality
po.
healthcare services, including
Oh, sorry.
preventive care.
Oh. Number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Number 5 po.
5. So, please read.
Children have the right to trust that their government will act in their best interest, protecting their rights and providing essential services.
So, what
Sir,
what
ano
is this,
po
Dirk?
siya? Hmm, sir, siguro po yung ano, every child has the right to be raised well and become contributing members of society po.
Okay, tingnan natin kung tama. The right to fair government that build their trust. So, thank you, Dirk, for participate. Angeline,
Number 7,
choose
sir.
number 7. So, what right ensures that every child
May
has a
sagot
chance?
na po.
Oh,
The right to be born.
nasagutan na to, anak. Sorry, oh. Other number, except 2, 3.
10 po.
10. So, children have the right to be protected from all forms of abuse, neglect, and exploitation. This includes physical, emotional, and sexual harm.
Right to be protected from harm, sir.
Sige, check natin kung tama. Right to protection. Yes, pasok siya. And last,
Yes.
Karil,
Sir, 3. 3 po.
3. Nasagutan na siya, anak.
9.
Number 9. So, children have the right to express their opinions, thoughts, and beliefs freely and to develop their own sense of identity.
Um, develop their own sense of identity. Sir, 1.
What? Ano, anak?
Every child has the right to access what they need to have a good life.
So, let's check kung tamang sagot mo. Right to grow up as a free
Free
individual.
individual.
So, I hope you enjoy our activity. So, now, how this right to eat healthy foods impact your ability to participate in physical activities? Bakit itong mga karapatan, kagaya na lamang ng karapatan sa pagkain, ay mahalaga para makapag-participate tayo sa physical activities? Bakit kaya? Any idea? Or magtatawag ako? Yes, Dirk? Bakit mahalaga kaya ano sa tingin mo anak? Bakit mahalaga ang karapatan sa pagkain?
Sir, para po malakas po yung katawan ng tao po.
Yes, very good. Para malakas ang pangangatawan ng isang tao. Eating healthy foods gives you the energy and strength to run, play, and join physical activities without feeling tired easily. Kasi mahirap naman, di ba? Katulad na lamang si Dirk, di ba, pa nagba-volleyball, kailangan malakas yung palo niya. Di ba? Mahirap naman maglaro ng volleyball pag hindi ka kumakain ng sustansyang pagkain. Tama ba ako, Dirk?
Tama po, sir.
Yes. So, eating healthy foods gives you the energy and strength to run, play, and join physical activities without feeling tired easily. When you eat nutritious meals, your body stays strong and you can move faster and have more fun. How about why every child deserves access to healthcare and healthy living? Ayan, bakit mahalaga ang access sa nutrisyon sa lahat ng bata? Angeline?
For them not to get sick po.
Yes, para hindi magkasakit. So, every child deserves access to healthcare and healthy living because it helps them grow strong. Because go strong, stay safe from sickness, and enjoy learning and playing. When children are healthy, they can do their best in school and have a happy life. So, I have reminders for you, for all of you. So, we must respect the health rights of others because everyone deserves to live in a safe and healthy environment. Respecting others' health rights helps to prevent disease, spread, and promotes overall community well being. It also guarantees that everyone has equal access to healthcare, support, and the resources they require to remain healthy. By considering the health needs of others, we foster a society that values kindness, fairness, and responsibility. Respecting health rights ultimately improves everyone's quality of life. Class, I hope that you understand our topic for today. And I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating discussion and activities. So that's it for today. So for your assignment, you will interview your guardians or parents on how they ensure that your health rights are met in your home. Write your answer in a one whole sheet of paper and ipapas nyo siya sa akin sa Monday. Is that clear, class?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes po,
I
sir.
hope you enjoy our discussion and see you on Monday. Thank you, Great for Fantasy. Kapag nasa
Thank
katwiran,
you po.
ipaglaban mo. Okay, goodbye class. Mag-iingat kayo and laging uminom ng water.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.